I was in Kaimaishi City in Iwate to explore, adventure, but most importantly, conquer the dang seas. Our first adventure, kayaking. Unlucky for me, your boy has some experience with this water sport. After some training and a tiny crash, it was off to the races, boys. This isn't your normal river kayaking. We are in the dang ocean. And while we're using baby's first kayak, it does not matter, because some of these waves could really knock you upside down. But check out that technique. Majestic. And don't worry guys, I'm gonna give you all of the angles. This was such a fun afternoon out, and I'm glad I came all the way to do it. Follow to see more of my Kaimaishi adventures.